Hey! Aren't you going to say hello? Oh, come on, bucko. Don't you want a balloon?
No.
Very wise of your dad, Georgie. Very wise indeed. I, Georgie, am Pennywise, the dancing clown. You are Georgie. So now we know each other. Correct? Without this? Exactly. Go on, kiddo. Take it. Oh. You want it, don't you, Georgie? And there's cotton candy and rides and all sorts of surprises down here. And balloons, too. All colors. Oh, yes. They float, Georgie. They float. And when you're down here, float!
Fear no evil, for thou art with me.
Not for you up there, is it? This is a little thin. Here I am, Wheezy. Hey, you're gonna like it down here. Won't do any good to run, girly boy. See you in your dreams. Oh, come back anytime. Bring your friends. Beep, beep, Richie. Come back anytime. I'll show you how to flow down. They all flow.
My dad says there's no way to date this one. Here he is again. Look!
I'll kill you all. I'll drive you crazy and I'll kill you all. I'm every nightmare you ever had. I am your worst dream come true. Be afraid. You all taste so much better when you're afraid. Kill. I am eternal judge and of children, and you. Take your pick, Billy boy. Oh, except for the one on the end. That's already taken. Sorry.
And I remember we beat you.
I got a balloon. Don't you want a balloon? What's the matter? One balloon, not enough. Try it!
Is everything all right?
Yes.
Last chance, Tasha. Get out before it gets dark tonight. You're too old to stop me. You're all too old.
No, Mike Hanlon, if you see...
Excuse me, sir. Do you have Prince Albert in a can? You do? Well, you better let the poor guy out.
No, Mike Hanlon, that I had to go, that I had to get cleaned up. Hell yeah.
Get out! Up here, sharp stuff. You helped me once, remember? You chased those brats. Almost got him, Henry. Almost. Don't you have another chance? Henry killed them all. Henry killed them all. 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 Don't you want it? 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 Kiss me, fat boy! You still think you can see me? You'll never see me. Go! Now, for if you stay, you'll lose your little mind in my dead lives. Like all the others.